Hello, pen testers. This is Punit Darji back again with another cloud pen testing video. And in this video, we are going to talk about AWS console takeover vulnerability. So, how the SSRF vulnerability can be used to obtain the console takeover. So, without wasting your time, let's move on to the practical part so you will get the better understanding. So, this is the vulnerable website console takeover. So here I am performing the SSRF attack using dig.pm. So get subdomain, click on get subdomain, just copy the random subdomain and paste it over here. Here pass the HTTP and click on search and click on get results. So here we get the results. So SSRF vulnerability is there. So when you get the SSRF vulnerability, always check with the metadata. And for that, we will use the magic IP 169.254. So let's pass the 169.254 IP. So 169.254.169.254 and click on search. And here we get the data. So copy the latest. So HTTP and 169.254.169.254/latest and click on search. We get the metadata, user data and dynamic. Then go inside the metadata and click on search. So here we get the metadata. Then check with the IAM. And you can see the security groups, etc. So let's check with the IAM and /IAM and security credentials. Okay, so pass the security credentials as well. So let's copy the security credentials, click on search. Copy the cloud pen test role. Here just copy and copy the cloud pen test role. And here we get the access key ID, secret key and the token. So just configure the profile. So if you don't want to configure the profile, you can skip this part. I am configuring for the easy to copy paste the token, etc. Token, access key ID and the secret key. It's easy to copy paste. So here I am configuring the console takeover profile and here passing the access key ID. Let me just copy access secret key. Okay, copy and the token. So region I am giving the default region I am giving, let me AP South 1. Let's give the AP South 1 and default output none. Okay, fine. Just copy the token as well. You can skip this part. It's not necessary. Just copy this token. And here we set up the AWS _ session _ token. So for AWS controller, it's a tool in the built-in Python. So you can download directly use the command pip install AWS controller. So I have already installed this tool. So AWS controller -r for the region. So region I am giving US East 1. I am randomly passing the US East 1 -1 and access key -a for the access key ID, -s for the secret key. Let me copy and paste it, and -t for the token. So let me copy the token paste it and hit the enter. Okay, we are missing something. Okay, so AWS underscore controller. So, and hit the enter. It will generate the URL. So just copy this URL and open in the browser. Let me copy this URL and open in the browser. So it will redirect it to AWS console. So it's loading. So it is redirected to AWS console. So here you can see the AWS console home screen. So here just small tour about the AWS console. Okay, done. So here you can see the different regions. So let's use the Cloud Shell. So click on the terminal. Here it's preparing the terminal. And I'm passing the whoami command. So it is the Cloud Shell user. So this is all about the AWS console takeover attack. So let me summarize the attack. So first we have find the SSRF attack. Then we have find the metadata using the private IP address 169.254.169.254, and then using the AWS controller tool. It is a Python tool that I have used in practical. So using the AWS controller tool, we have take over the AWS console. So this is all from my side about the AWS console takeover attack. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, then share with your Infosec friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.